Have you ever felt like the world is shifting in ways that can't be fully explained? You're not alone. Many believe we're experiencing a profound transformation in consciousness. According to the law of one, spiritual teachings, and even modern science, this isn't just a change, it's evolution. Let's explore what this means, how it's described, and how science offers fascinating parallels to these ancient and channeled insights. Welcome to the Seeker's Journey, where we explore spiritual growth, energy alignment, and awakening. Today, we're diving deep into the shift happening now, looking at how the law of one explains this transformation, what spiritual teachers say, and how science provides surprising validation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what's happening on the planet and how you can align with this profound evolution. To understand this shift, we need to start with the law of one. This series of channeled teachings, delivered by Ra through Carla Rueckert in the 1980s, provides a framework for understanding the universe, consciousness, and spiritual evolution. At its core is a simple yet profound truth. All is one, and that one is the infinite creator. Ra explains that the universe is structured in densities, which are levels of consciousness and spiritual growth. These densities progress from basic awareness in the first density to unity with the creator in the seventh density. Humanity is currently transitioning from third density, the realm of self-awareness and choice, into fourth density, the realm of love and unity. Science also offers fascinating insights that align with these teachings. For example, the Schumann resonance, often called the Earth's heartbeat, is a naturally occurring electromagnetic frequency generated by lightning strikes and atmospheric activity. Scientists have observed shifts and spikes in this frequency, and some researchers propose these could correlate with collective human behavior and global events. Could this be a reflection of the planetary transition described in the law of one? Our chakras, or energy centers, align with densities of consciousness, making them a key part of this transformation. Let's explore these centers and how they connect to spiritual and scientific concepts. Root chakra, associated with survival and grounding. In quantum physics, matter forms the basis of existence, much like the lessons of the first density in the law of one. Sacral chakra, the center of emotions and creativity. This correlates with the growth of awareness seen in plants and animals during second density. Solar plexus, the seat of personal power and choice. Just as third density focuses on making decisions between love and fear, quantum theories suggest our choices shape reality itself. Heart chakra. This center opens us to love and unity. Studies in heart coherence, conducted by organizations like HeartMath, show how cultivating love and gratitude directly influences our physical and emotional well-being. Throat chakra. Truth and communication. Fifth density wisdom emphasizes higher self-expression, aligning with spiritual practices like mindfulness and meditation. Third eye chakra. Intuition and insight. This aligns with higher states of consciousness described in both spiritual teachings and studies on the brain's theta and gamma wave activity during meditation. Crown chakra, the gateway to unity with the Creator. This reflects the ultimate return to Source in the law of one. While the law of one speaks of densities, other sources, like Dolores Cannon, describe a new earth where higher vibrational souls align with a peaceful, love-centered reality. Bashar, a channeled entity, frames this as a crossroads where humanity chooses between resistance and unity. Science adds an interesting layer here. Studies in epigenetics reveal how thoughts, emotions, and environment directly impact gene expression. This supports spiritual teachings that suggest aligning with higher vibrations can lead to healing and transformation, both individually and collectively. On a personal level, the shift often manifests as heightened sensitivity, emotional waves, or longing for deeper meaning. These align with energetic recalibration described in the Law of One. Globally, the shift can be seen in increased polarization and upheaval, reflecting the tension between old and new paradigms. Researchers in collective psychology note that global crises often lead to shifts in cultural values, promoting empathy and collaboration, paralleling the spiritual idea of moving from fear to unity. Additionally, the Schumann resonance's fluctuations suggest a connection between human activity and planetary energy, highlighting how our collective consciousness influences the Earth itself. To align with the shift, focus on practices that nurture love and compassion. One powerful tool is heart-centered coherence, which is the practice of aligning your emotions, mind, and physical body. This concept has been deeply explored by the HeartMath Institute, a research organization dedicated to studying the connection between heart rhythms, emotions, and overall well-being. HeartMath has shown that when we cultivate positive emotions like gratitude, love, and compassion, our heart rhythms become more coherent. This coherence not only enhances emotional resilience, but also improves physical health, reducing stress and supporting the immune system. Simple practices like breathing deeply while focusing on feelings of love and appreciation can create this coherence, aligning you with the higher vibrations of fourth density. Grounding practices like earthing are another way to stay aligned with the Earth's energy. Clint Ober's work demonstrates the physical and energetic benefits of connecting directly with the Earth, showing how spiritual alignment and scientific understanding go hand in hand. If you're feeling stuck, try the Ho'oponopono meditation, which I've shared in a previous video. This practice clears judgment and invites peace into your energy field, helping you align with higher vibrations. This shift is an incredible opportunity for growth, healing, and connection. Science, spiritual teachings, and the Law of One all point to the same truth. We are co-creators in this transformation. By aligning with love, unity, and awareness, we contribute to a brighter future for ourselves and the planet. What are your thoughts on the shift? Have you noticed parallels between spiritual teachings and scientific discoveries? Share your perspective in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If this video resonated, please like and subscribe to join me on the Seeker's Journey. Let's seek, grow, and be here now. Until next time, stay grounded and take care.